now?
Yeah.
Okay. Get in that lip. No! I want you to get inside the thing. Okay, ready?
Put it up higher.
Come on.
Oh!
So close. I want you to actually get in there. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Come on.
Come on. One more try and you can have a Cheerio. No, it's where you're sitting on the ledge, it's making me want to go there. Okay, ready? Come on.
You almost like a rat jumping in.
You go. You stinker. Oh, little Kirky Kirk.
This is a rat eating food. Fuzzy monkey. Well then, leave. Should I stop it?
Sure, I guess. Wait.
Let's see if he jumps. Come on. Try one more. No, don't go under. Ready?
Okay.
Set. I'm gonna see if he jumps on me.
Okay.
Come here.
Kirk.
Come here, Kirk. Come on. Ready? Set.
Oh. Spock.
Good boy.
And
Okay.